New bodies of two companions of the Prophet Muhammad in Iraq as if they were alive. Their most shared incident on the internet in 1932 AD, or 1929 according to some reports. The king of Iraq, Shah Faisal, dreamed that Hazrat Hudhayfah Al-Yamani, may God be pleased with him, was addressing him, and he said, "O king, move me and Jabir bin Abdullah from the bank of the Tigris River and bury us in a safe place, for my grave has been filled with water, and the grave of Jabir bin Abdullah is slowly sinking." This dream was repeated again the next night, but King Faisal did not pay attention to it because he was busy with state affairs. On the third night, Hazrat Hudhayfah Al-Yamani, may God be pleased with him, was seen in a dream by the Mufti of Iraq. Hazrat Hudhayfah Al-Yamani, may God be pleased with him, said to the Grand Mufti, "2 nights ago I ordered the king to move our bodies, but he did not pay any attention. Tell him flatly to arrange the transportation of our graves." King Faisal, his prime minister, and the Grand Mufti decided to carry out this work after discussing this matter. It was decided that the Mufti would issue a fatwa in this regard, and the Prime Minister would issue a statement to the press, so that the public would know about this great event. He announced that on the 10th of Dhul-Hijjah, after the noon prayer, the graves would be opened and the holy bodies would be moved to another place. Since it was the Hajj season, the pilgrims were gathering in Mecca. They asked King Faisal to postpone the event for a few days so that they could all attend the event after performing Hajj. Then the king postponed this event until the 20th of Dhul-Hijjah. After the noon prayer, on Dhul-Hijjah 20, 1351 R, a large number of Muslims and non-Muslims gathered in Baghdad, and the city was very crowded. Firstly, when the tomb of Hazrat Hudhayfah Al-Yamani, may God be pleased with him, was opened, water was flooded inside it. The body was lifted with a crane so that it could be safely transported on a stretcher. The stretcher was then lifted by the king, the Grand Mufti, the Prime Minister, and Prince Farouk, King of Egypt, and brought into a glass coffin box specially made for storing holy bodies. The body of Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah al-Ansari, may God be pleased with him, was also transferred to the glass box in the same precise manner. The most magnificent spectacle was now witnessed by the huge crowd that had gathered to witness this great event. Both the sacred bodies of these true companions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, were fresh and healthy, while their open eyes were emitting such divine light that astonished the eyes of the spectator. Moreover, their coffins and clothes were also intact, and at first glance it seemed as if these heroes of Islam were alive. The two bodies were then moved and reburied near the grave of another great hero of Islam, Hazrat Salman al-Farsi, may God be pleased with him, in Salman Park, 30 miles from Baghdad. This miracle amazed scientists, philosophers, and doctors. They were all in awe and amazement to witness this great miracle. A German physiologist took great interest in this matter, and he was so impressed by the state of the bodies, which had been buried for more than 1,000 years, that he immediately came to the Grand Mufti, raised his hands and said, "What more evidence could there be to support Islam? I have converted to Islam, so teach me." Thus, this German doctor converted to Islam before thousands of people, and many Christians and Jews followed suit and continued for a long time in Baghdad, and a large number of people converted to Islam as a result of this miracle. May God be pleased with all the companions, and may God's blessings and peace be upon our Master Muhammad and his family and all his companions. Thank you for watching. Greetings from your channel, Storyteller. Do not forget to eavesdrop on the channel and share your opinions with us in the comments.